Hi everyone, I hope you have an amazing day at THACH. Today I'm gonna go to eat at Hong Lai restaurant. Over there they have beef breast frying noodle, fried rice and pork rib rice with egg, soup and it's a lot, and I cannot wait to share all the video with you right now. Wow. Okay, right now we are at the restaurant and some people are waiting. Wow. It is pork bone soup. Oh wow, looks so amazing. Amazing. Eight plus here. I'm gonna go with pork rib. Oh, I use my hand, is better. Oh wow. It is so incredible flavor. It is a little bit sweet, salty, with the oil of green onion. It is nice. This is my first test here. Okay, so I'm gonna go with a cucumber pickle with a carrot pickle and chili sauce. Oh wow, it is so incredible, amazing. Pickle is a little bit sour, salty, and it is a bit spicy with the chili and garlic, and it is good. Okay, I'm gonna go with soup. It's better. Okay, I'm gonna add some chili to make a flavor in the breast. Cô chết thiếu ra nè. Add some pepper, black pepper. Oh, it's so juicy. And smell of lamb and pepper, green onion. Go get. Oh wow. It is a little bit sour and smell aromatic of pepper. With the pork, I'm gonna go with pork. Wow, it is so nice. And again, okay. I'm gonna add some chili oil and pepper. And click subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.